Hello guys, welcome back from the video. So DJI has come up with a new update for RC firmware. So in this video we will be updating our RC firmware and testing out whether our drone hacks will be working totally fine or not. So basically there is no great difference in this firmware update. Anyways, they have just improved the connectivity between the RC and the drone. Nothing much has been changed, and even I searched for the release notes and I could not find any updates in this particular firmware. So once your DJI Fly app gets connected to your drone, you can see that there is a new update, that is remote controller update version 4.11.0032. So before updating this, let's check out what was our previous version that we were working on. So as you can see on the screen, our current RC firmware was 4.11.0016. so we are upgrading it to 4.11.0033. So let's quickly upgrade and check out whether our drone hacks is working totally fine or not. Once you click on update button, this update will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes to get installed on your RC remote. So to get this remote controller upgrade notification, you need to enable your internet when you open the DJI Fly app. So make sure to enable your internet connection so that you can install this firmware in your RC. As this is a RC firmware update, this will make no changes to your drone firmware or drone functionality. So once your firmware is getting installed, you can see that your RC starts blinking up fast. So while doing this upgrade, make sure your RC has the battery of more than 30%. While the firmware is getting installed to the RC gets disconnected to your drone, so don't operate anything on your RC. So once the installation process is done, then RC reconnects back to the drone. Now in the about section of the DJI Fly app, you can see that our RC firmware has been updated to 4.11.32. So this means that we are in the latest version. So now let's quickly go outdoor and test whether our drone hack is working totally fine or not. So if you guys are new on the channel and if you don't know about the drone hacks, I'll be adding the link in the I button as well as in the description. You can check out the other videos related to the dedicated drone hacks. You will get the full information how you can purchase the drone hack license and how you can hack your drone from 15 meters to 500 meters without any issue. So currently, as you can see on the screen, our max altitude is at 15 meters. So let's do the back button pressing method and check whether our 15 meters will automatically move to the 500 meters or not. So as said before, we need to press and hold the back button for 2 seconds and our hack will be activated. And as you can see on the screen, our max altitude has been moved to 500 meters automatically. So we have other method as well for the drone hacks, that is certificate, NFZ certificate. You can see on the screen even our NFZ certificate is active, and many of you guys don't know that we can use both the hacks at a time.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Without any issue. So this means our drone hacks is working totally fine, and you guys can update your RC firmware without any worries. So even I have tested with the DH Companion. DH Companion is also working fine with this update. So either of the methods you can use to hack 15 meters. So before ending the video, there is another good news for all the Mini 2 users. DJI has released a SDK file for DJI Mini 2. I'll make a separate dedicated video explaining what SDK is and on which date SDK is going to be released and what is the update by Lychee on this SDK release. तो गाइस बहुत सारे लोग ये भी कंप्लेंट कर रहे हैं कि मैं हिंदी ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करता और हिंदी में बात नहीं करता, तो डेफिनेटली आई विल मेक अ वीडियोज़ ऑन हिंदी. इफ़ यू गाइस कमेंट ऑन दिस वीडियो एंड लेट मी नो इफ़ यू गाइस आर इंटरेस्टेड टू वॉच माई वीडियोज़ इन हिंदी. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit a like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet in the next one. Till then,
landing.
Bye bye.